Okay, we're looking at the passenger side motor mount here. This is where it mounts to the block. I bought some new ones because I didn't like these at all, and the rubber's all cracked and all that. So here's where the driver's side mounts. He uses this hole and this hole, and doesn't use that hole, but the new kit I have does use that hole. So let's take a look at that. Here we go. This is the driver's side, all mocked up. This is where it mounts to the block here. So this is actually considered the motor mount. This is called the, I don't know, frame mount or something. And it uses these two bolts. That other bolt hole was somewhere around here, which you can see on the new kit. They supply a bolt for it. So, new kit comes with these fancy plates and a poly bushing, and then all the hardware to assemble it. And if I kind of line it up, you can see exactly like it's going to go like that. So there you can see the bolts lining up, and then this of course bolts to the motor like that. So definitely a lot stronger. Probably going to create more vibration, but that's okay. So let's put it on there. Okay, sorry about the fan, it's really hot. Here's one half of the bracket on there. You can see it's using those 3 bolts going through. Pretty foolproof, I don't think you can mess it up. Alright, here's the driver's side. In place, the bracket. I'm not going to tighten those up, just so that I got a little room to squeeze the motor mount in there. That's it. Oh, jeez.